I swear to you, you want this card. I think it's going to be awesome. They get to color, they get to craft. Hello. I'm really excited to share my All About Me Endless card with you today. It'll take students on a little and yet very creative journey. This card doesn't stop at the favorite foods and the favorite hobbies. It gives your students a chance to introduce themselves, to discover a little who they are, to reflect themselves as learners, and to also think about the school year ahead. So let's take a look inside. This is the first design, the first part of the card, the This Is Me illustration, where students get to introduce themselves and all the fairly easy stuff, straightforward. What's your name, your year, your grade you're in, how old you are, your birthday, your favorite subject, your favorite hobby, your favorite pet or favorite animal, picture of yourself. So it's a simple way to begin to get to know one another. In this card, the student gets to share what they love, the things they enjoy, favorite foods, hobbies, music, books, movies, and so much more. It's a chance to discover the interests and little things that make each student unique. And then we get to the third page, which you can see is like a treasure map. And this is where I am today. This part of the card is a little bit more self-reflective. The students pause and they can think about themselves as learners. What helps them to learn? What do I find challenging? What am I curious about? When I need help, who can I ask? And what am I already proud of? The students can write into the areas, like where it here says, help me learn. They can find an area where they can write down, actually, I really like learning when it's peaceful and quiet and not so much noise around, or actually working with a friend. I feel happy when I draw or when I am with my friends, again, obviously. And the fourth page then moves on to from where the student is now to more future-oriented. Where are they going to be at the end of the year? Where do they see themselves at the end of the year? What they like to achieve, what they want to learn, what habit, what they like to practice. How can one be kind? So beside the crafting, there is a lot of coloring happening, and the kids also have a notepad that they can follow along that guides them through each design, each part of the card, and they can tick it off, which is great. Who doesn't like a list to take off, right? I'm offering different degrees of detail on the page as well. And I also quickly wanted to show you the teacher's instructions, which I think are really cute. Just look, I think every teacher will appreciate them. There's always so much effort put into the craft itself, but the teachers get like a meh. But here you go, you get some really cute instructions. And there you have it, a little All About Me journey, all in one endless card. It can be a fun way to start conversations, get to know your students, and give them a little time to think about themselves and the year ahead. Use it in the classroom, let students share their cards with one another, or simply enjoy seeing all the different personalities and ideas come to life. I hope your students have lots of fun creating theirs. Have a wonderful start to the new school year. And this is me done for today. Have a great start. Manya from Hatifand. Bye-bye.